Today I'm about to show you how to create a presentation flow in Flowith.io. First, open Flowith and gather your main ideas into a single workspace. To turn your research into a presentation, use the presentation mode or mind map. In the sidebar to visualize your nodes as slides. You can arrange your nodes in a linear path, ensuring each branch represents a key point or chapter of your talk. If you want to automate it, highlight your notes and use the slide generator bot to instantly convert your text into formatted presentation slides. Pro tip, use the share link with can view permissions to send a clean, interactive version of your flow to your audience so they can follow along in real time. And that's it. That's how to create a presentation flow in Flowith.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.